labor board process. We respect that the Teamsters have put in these applications, and we're going to see the process through before reconvening bargaining. So we thought it was important that you hear that directly from us.
Is that a recommendation from your law firm, Fasken and Martineau?
No, there's no recommendation.
No?
Nothing to do with baskets. Do you have any questions for us?
You are the HR managers, right?
Yes.
So you are the responsible for all of this. So you made all of these decisions. That's my question. You said Ikea,
I would say that
but
it's
somebody has to make a
there's
decision.
a shared responsibility. Anytime that there is a collective agreement that's expired, the process is to bargain a new collective agreement or a new agreement. We're in the process of bargaining that, and obviously we've had some at this time right now there are two applications that we are waiting for response.
Actually, we'll be glad to turn those off if we get these off. So we'll be glad to do
He won't shut it off.
He will shut it off
No, he
if
won't.
I ask him.
No, he won't.
Well, that's your opinion,
Why is
but
this then? Why is this?
because of
Why
this.
is this?
Because of this. I'm
Because
sorry.
of this you
Yeah.
will do to me.
Actually, I'll take that if you
Okay,
shut
so you
these
do.
off. If he gives me that, you asked them
Okay,
to
of
shut.
course we do.
All right.
No.
Perfect.
Shut it down.
No, he can keep on filming. I've been filmed for 9 months.
Filming, that's fine.
12 months of filming. Why
I
not?
have our permission to film or use it, but you can
Okay.
film. I'm not saying anything that is revolutionary.
Yeah. So you're refusing to bargain at this particular point in time.
No, don't put words into my mouth. I've told
Okay.
you that we are respecting the labor
Yeah.
board process, and we are going
the
to
union
wait.